Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's fantastic to have you here for a brand new crossbow video. I got plenty of views of my previous video about target practice with my Mankung XB58. If you are interested, you'll find the link in description. Today, to answer some questions I received, I'll show you how to easily cock a powerful crossbow using a rope cocker. You can use the same method on most of the recurve and compound crossbows. The rope cocker reduces to 50% the force required, so to cock my 200 pounds crossbow, I need to pull only 100 pounds using it. Let's get started. This is the cocker. A rope, 2 T-handle and 2 hooks with pulleys. First thing first, to maximize the effectiveness of the cocker, shorten the length of the rope as much as possible. On the stock of the crossbow there is a notch. Take the center of the rope and put it in the notch of the stock. Hook the first hook to the crossbow string. Put the cocker in tension and hook the second hook to the crossbow string on the other side. If the length of the rope is correct, the tension of the string will keep the cocker in position. Remember that the shorter the rope, the easier the cock. Now we are ready to cock the crossbow. Place one foot in the cocking stirrup. Grab the handles and pull them up, keeping the ends close to the sides of the barrel. Keep on pulling till you hear the click of the latches that secure the string. Slowly release the cocker, verifying the string is locked in position. Disengage the hooks and put the rope cocker aside. Now your crossbow is cocked, and you can slide the dart in the fly groove of the barrel. Let's do it again. Let's see the movement from the left side. You have to use the muscles of your arms, shoulders and back all together. And from the right side. After a few times, the cocking procedure will be memorized by your muscles, and you will be able to cock your crossbow smoothly and naturally. One last time. Be sure to subscribe for more crossbow videos. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.